Hello guys, and welcome to my after dark routine. We're going to go ahead and jump straight into today's video, but if you're new here, definitely hit that red subscribe button and let's get started.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
Okay guys, well that was a little unexpected. I put our laundry basket and hamper out there because we were gonna have a Walmart delivery. I set it up yesterday for it to be dropped off this evening, but it got canceled due to weather, which actually tonight's actually not that bad. Like it's supposed to be in the next couple nights, that's why I got it ordered. So we'll have to run into town tomorrow and get that before like we get snowed in again, but that was a bummer. So we'll go ahead and finish up the rest of this evening routine because I've already got it started, but I was gonna show you guys a grocery haul and all the stuff we bought, but maybe next time. So the reason that I took the laundry hamper and like bag out, it just makes it easier for the delivery guy or woman, whoever's dropping off from Walmart. That way they can just carry that bag and throw a ton of Walmart sacks into it and then leave it on my front porch so they don't have to walk back a million times. I just feel like that's really helpful, and if it's super cold outside like it is, I just want to save them some effort, so that's why I do that, but that got canceled anyways. And I do Lysol my laundry basket out before I use it for my clothes again, just in case you're wondering. But now I'm going to go ahead and take that clean laundry. Lately I've been folding it on my bed. In my last house I always talked about I moved from room to room. I feel like the height on my bed just works really well, so I'm not like bending over, I don't have to sit down, so typically this is where I've been folding laundry.
The sky is falling down.
And this is always a part of my nighttime routine. I try to do at least one load of laundry a day. So I like start it in the morning, I switch it over in the afternoon, and then I fold it before bed. And it just seems to work really well, and it keeps like a ton of laundry piling up and backing up away. But I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be talking about a budget-friendly cordless vacuum here really soon. I've been testing it out for you guys. I love the price, and I'm going to be talking about all the details, so definitely don't click off early on this video, especially if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, because I have found the perfect one for you.
Dancing with the shadows on the bedroom wall, silhouettes of memories that I can't recall, trying to be ready for the call, trying not to fall, ready for the landfall, rolling way too slow.
So as soon as I'm finished folding the laundry, I like to put everything away immediately. And when I say away, that's all of my clothes and any like towels or kitchen towels. Now if it's Chase's, I just leave it out and he puts his away. And then anything that's Savannah's, I just put back into the laundry basket, and then I go set that in her bedroom, and she puts all her stuff away now. So that's been super helpful. As your kids get bigger, they get to help out more. So just keep that in mind if you have itty bitties running around. And now that Chase is home, he just helps me out more, so it's just so nice, like washing, drying, folding, and then everybody else putting their own stuff away.
Even though my feet are barely finding solid ground, I'm getting much closer now. We'll find a way somehow. We prepare.
Every evening I do a little work too for my channel, so I kind of just sporadically work throughout the day just so I can be a part of homeschool and I can help Chase on different things. So I feel like every evening I have something that I have to get done, whether it's working on thumbnails or voiceovers or editing or filming, whatever it is. I just always take about an hour or 2 hours to work on that in the evening. And then when I finish up, I like to go sit on the sofa with Chase. We normally watch a show. I think we're watching Wheel of Fortune in this one. And then he always gets something salty, which is popcorn, and then I always grab something sweet, and we had made a cake, so that's what we're both eating right there.
But heaven knows I'm getting so much better every day. Yeah, baby, can't you see? It's easy.
So after we watch a show together or play a game or do both, just depending on how much time we have each evening, I send Savannah off to get ready for bed. This is when Chase normally goes into his office to get some work done, and then I like to start cleanup of the house. I do not like going to bed with a dirty house, so I just like to start tidying up, putting all the trash away, fluffing the sofas. These are so much easier than my last sectional I had, just because it had so many like back cushions that I had to fluff. All I have to do is like fluff the decor pillows and fix the blankets. So I've really liked having these. But before I do that, I like to walk around and what I call putting the house to sleep. So I like to start dimming the lights. It helps get us tired for bed and prepares us for bed. I always did this when Savannah was a baby, and I just really enjoyed it. So I always do it every evening, and I like to just kind of set the mood and let it get dim so our eyes can start getting a little sleepy. So then when we go to bed, we're not like wide-eyed. So as you can see here, it's just super easy to fluff up and make it look nice. I've just been leaving the blankets out on the furniture because it is so cold here in Oklahoma. There's no reason to like fold them up, put them in a drawer, because I'm just going to pull it back out in the morning. And then over here on the love seat, I didn't get to do too much. Tiger was all curled up in a blanket, nice and toasty, and he's always so cold, so I didn't want to bug him. Both of the boys always go to bed before us, like by an hour or two. So I'll fix this later, but I didn't want to wake him up. Now I want to thank Hoover for sponsoring this part of today's video. They reached out to me and wanted me to test a vacuum for you guys, and I chose the cordless vacuum because I get comments all the time about what vacuum I'm using. Is it affordable? And I think that's the main thing you guys want. You guys want the cordless vacuum, but you don't want it to cost an arm and a leg, and I totally get it. This one I've been trying out for a few weeks, and guys, I am in love with it. As you can see, Tiger's not. He doesn't like any vacuum, but I'm super impressed with it. So typically when it's more affordable, the suction power isn't there. And I have to say, this is so comparable to my other two vacuums that I own. You guys know what I own. I can't say it here, but I could not tell the difference. Like, it works so well. It has all the same features. You can hang it on the wall. You know, it comes with different attachments. I guess the only thing I can tell that's different from it is it's a little bit heavier, but the price point is on point. The other thing this one has that my others don't is this bright light, and I love vacuuming at night now with this light on. I did not realize how much I was missing on my floors, and if you vacuum at night and this light just automatically comes on, it picks up so much stuff. Like, I actually get excited to vacuum at night now. So if you order this, definitely turn off those lights and vacuum in the evening, and you are going to be shocked. But I am going to leave their link down below in my description box. And like I said, I am hands down super impressed with this. It would be a great gift. It would be great for your wife, your husband, if your kids are going off to school, if you just want one. I am so impressed with this. So don't forget to click on that link down below in my description box. And thanks again to Hoover for sponsoring this part of today's video. So here is a clip of all the attachments it comes with. This is just like any other cordless vacuum. You can take those attachments and actually make it more like handheld. So this is really nice to vacuum your furniture, your sofa. This is really good if you need to clean your car out. It just makes it nice and easy. Here's a quick look at what it looks like when you take that stick part off and just use the attachment. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the kitchen. As you can see, there's dirty dishes in there. We had finished eating the cake. I had a paintbrush out. You guys know me, I'm always painting something. I haven't been able to spray paint lately because it's been so cold here and it's getting so hard. It's like I've got projects I need to get done and I can't do them. But you're gonna see me just kind of start to tidy up the kitchen and load the dishwasher just so I can get this area cleaned up. The dishwasher was full, so this cake pan wouldn't fit in, which is totally fine. I'm one of those, if it doesn't fit, I just hand wash it and towel dry it and put it away immediately. Now Chase is the type, he'll just leave it in the sink, and once he unloads the dishwasher, he'll put that in for the next load. So let me know, are you more like me or are you more like Chase? Because I don't want any dirty dishes in my sink. To me, I'd rather just go ahead and get it clean, so when we unload the dishwasher, it's not already full again. So I know that's just totally a personality, so I'm curious, which way are you guys more like?
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we
Now that I have that cleaned and put away, I'm going to grab my kitchen towel and the drying mat and go throw up my laundry room. I like to wash those occasionally, like they do really well. The drying mat, I just throw out my washer and my dryer and it holds up really well. I've had that thing probably 2 or 3 years and it still looks brand new. And now I'm going to go ahead and clean out my sink. I like to do this every single night. So we've had food in there all day and water. So I like to just scrub it out really well and then dry it out as well, just so it's just nice and clean and crisp. And once again, you get to wake up to a clean sink. It probably doesn't last for long, but it looks pretty while it's there. I also like to wipe down our kitchen countertops just in case there's crumbs or if anything got spilled on them. I've always done this. I feel like I wipe down my countertops at least 3 to 4 times a day, but now I catch myself doing it even more because they're white and I just don't want something to spill on them and stain. I don't know if that's just me being super nervous. You'll have to let me know because they're quartz countertops, but they're white. So I don't know if they stain easy or not, but to me they're white, so I'm trying to be super careful with them. Plus, I love the way cleaning products can smell, and so I just feel like it makes it smell fresh and clean. And once again, from food being in there all day, I much rather smell cleaning products than like food. And here is how the house is looking so far.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me.
And the very last thing I like to do before I go to bed is mop my floors. Now in my last house, I did this religiously. Like I did this every night. I will say I haven't been doing this as often, but I do like to do it like 3 or 4 times a week. If I can, just because I like making sure the floors are nice and clean. I also like to do this once we have Savannah in bed and I have Chase in bed. And once I've even put the boys to sleep, they kind of sleep in different areas. Then they can dry and not get any like footprints on them. So it's not that big of a deal just because I'm cleaning with water, but that way nobody slips or falls. The boys aren't running across them. So if you can get your house to bed and then go mop, it's like super calming, and then they actually stay clean until you wake up the next morning and then they're back dirty again.
'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else that you know will enjoy it, because it helps me out a ton. And then don't forget to click on that link down below in my description box and check out the Hoover vacuum. It is amazing. Like I said, it's just affordable and the suction power is amazing, so you won't regret it. But I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!